She walks through fire, yet her spirit never fades. Each tear she's cried is built.
What's up, beautiful babes? It's your girl, Sweet Angel. Welcome to Beauty by Sweet Angel. Y'all, here on this channel, I do all sorts of home remedies. So today, y'all, we're going to be doing a home remedy that's going to amaze you and your skin. Definitely. Now, y'all know I try these home remedies on me and I share them with you. Now make sure you do a patch test before starting any new treatments on your skin. And remember, now I am not a licensed professional. The only license I have is my driver's license. So proceed according to your skin. So let's get to today's wonderful treatment. All right, beautiful babes, all you need is 2 ingredients. That's it. You'll need 1 egg, and it can be organic if you like, and a half of a lemon. Take the egg and whip it to a froth. I have this super cool frother I got from Amazon. I will leave the link down below for you so you can check it out. And then after you froth up the egg, make it all nice and frothy. That's the egg whites only. Remember, egg whites only. Squeeze in 1 tablespoon of lemon juice and use your frother or whip it again. And then simply apply in thin layers on your face. Let each layer dry before applying the next layer. Now, using egg whites on your face is great for aging skin. Egg whites can actually help tighten and firm. If you have large pores or acne-prone skin, egg whites help close pores and get rid of buildup. And if your skin is oily, egg whites are super to clarify pores and hair follicles that make too much sebum. Now, using lemon on your skin, you're talking about getting glowing and flawless skin. Yes, lemons are filled to the brim with vitamin C, which is an antioxidant and a brightening agent. Lemons are great for your skin. The application of lemon juice on the skin can get rid of excess oil on the skin and also reduce acne. Now, I use this cute little fan to dry mine. I made it dry very fast using this little fan. Super cute, super cool. I'll also have a link of one of these type of fans in the description box for you. Now, you'll feel the tightening on the skin. I actually applied 4 layers of the mask. Now, proceed with caution if you have sensitive skin or dry skin. Also, using this mask, I prefer to do this at nighttime. You want to avoid exposure to sun when applying lemon juice to the face. Lemon is extremely acidic, which can irritate your skin. You might experience excessive dryness, redness, and even peeling, so be sure you do a patch test before completely putting this all over your face. Now, again, I did apply 4 layers, and take your time in doing this. Just enjoy pampering yourself for the moment. Also, avoid getting this near your eyes, and also do not put in your hairline or on your eyebrows. Once this mask dries, which you should not leave on, I say no more than 10 minutes or less. If your skin is sensitive, just a few minutes is all it takes. Do not leave on for an extreme amount of time. Also, if you have sensitive skin, I definitely recommend not using lemon juice at all. Once this has dried down or to your satisfaction, rinse with warm water only. That's all you need. It could be just tap water, warm water only, and apply a moisturizing cream or a lotion immediately following rinsing it off. And you can use this mask if you have oily skin up to 3 times per week. For normal to dry skin, definitely no more than 1 time a week. All right, beautiful babes, this is it. My skin is glowing, looking amazing. Yes, tightening the skin, brightening the skin, helping it to get spotless, and of course, glowing. This will help tackle those fine lines, help to soften those wrinkles. You're going to be amazed. I love, love, love this easy home remedy. Check it out. Let me know when you've tried it out. Leave me a comment down below. And beautiful babes, this is it. I'm so happy. Go ahead, again, drop me a comment down below. If you don't have anything to say and you enjoyed this video, drop me a heart in the comment section. Also, beautiful babes, if you have not subscribed, well, I really can't call you my beautiful babes if you haven't subscribed. Go ahead and subscribe. Hit the post notification bell as well, and make sure you let everybody know where you've been hanging out at and why you're glowing. Tell them all about Beauty by Sweet Angel. So please make sure you do that. And the way you do that is to share me with your world. And I will see y'all on the next video. Take care. Bye.
There's power in her voice, strength in her steps. She don't need no crown to command respect. With a heart that's been tested but never regrets. She's the rhythm of hope you can't forget. Yeah, there's power in her voice, strength in her steps. She's the prayer her grandma whispered. She's the song her mama sang. She's the fire of every sister, rising high.